Okay, so right now I'm trying out my DJI tripod. I forget what it's called. It's like the 7P one, and I have the microphone and everything. So I got the whole kit, the whole 9 yards, so I can start filming. So I just want to test this real quick because if I press the back button, then it follows me, which I really like. It's cool. Ignore the clothes on the bed. I gotta get to it. But in this video, we are going to make the viral dusting powder. So if you want to see how I do my dusting powder for the first time, then keep on watching. So now I got my little dollar store bag. I'm trying to like find a way to do this correctly without like too much going on. But I did get me a jar. So it's $1.25. I got it from the dollar store. And couldn't find any powder puffs. I don't know if dollar store sells powder puffs, but I got these ones right here. They're facial cleansing pads, but I figured you could just still use them, but who knows. And then I also was like looking through the aisles because I wanted the vanilla one of the powder, but I got the Brazilian Sun. So I smelled it and it smells good. Then we also got the Brazilian Mist body spray. I also got the Brazilian Mist body and hair spray or hair mist, so that'll be kind of like my fragrance one too. Cotton pads, and then I just got tea tree oil for myself because I love the smell of tea tree oil. But I'm gonna go grab some perfume and then we can get started on so I had to go grab something real quick, but let's get started. So I'm gonna open my jar and then start with layering the dusting powder. The sticker stuck on me. It smells so good. So we're just gonna put one layer. Oh, I'm spilling it. Put one layer. Then I'm gonna get my all the dust everywhere. Then I'm gonna get my should have got my cotton rounds ready, but it's fine. We can do it now. Got my cotton rounds. So then we're gonna go in with a oil, a body oil. So I'm using the Vaseline Glazed and Glisten Sunlit Glow in Vanilla Cocoa. So I'm just gonna put this all over the cotton pad. And then I'm just gonna take another one instead of using my fingers. I'm just gonna take another one and then just make it into like a little sandwich. And then make sure it's all incorporated in there because then I'll use it for another layer. So instead of trying to get it all over myself, and then we're just going to drop it into the powder like so. And then I'll just put like a little more on this one. And then I probably am going to use my fingers just to put it in. And then drop this second one in there. But I put it to where like it's opposite of each other so it's not sticking together, if that makes sense. Okay. And then we're going to do another layer of the dusting powder just to cover it. Kind of just close it real quick. Oh, I don't even know how to close this dang lid. And then I'm just going to kind of shake it up a bit. Open it back up. All the dust. And then I'm going to use the Brazilian Mist. Not gonna lie, I did go grab a towel so I can spray it on the towel so I don't get it everywhere. So I'm just gonna spray the Brazilian Mist on the cotton round. Make sure it's soaked. Throw that in. And then add another layer on top. And then killing myself with the perfume. And then I'm going to do another cotton pad with the Brazilian body and hair mist. And just make sure that's soaked. This smells good too. Make sure it's soaked, then throw that in there. Then get another layer going. Make sure it's covered. Then you want to get whatever perfume you want to use. I brought 3 perfumes. So I'm going to use the Warm and Cozy Victoria's Secret, another Victoria's Secret Bombshell Passion, and then this one I got from TJ Maxx, which is called Neroli and Sea Salt. So I'm just going to spray each of these perfumes on the cotton pad and then throw one layer, and then I will show you the results of what my powder looks like. Okay, so I finished putting everything together. I kind of like layered some of my Valentino perfume as well, and then just topped it off with the Warm and Cozy. So she is now filled, and I'm just gonna give her one last quick shake. Oop. Like just kind of shake it around, and then kind of settle it down, and then add one of the little sponges. Oh my god, that smells amazing. And then we're just gonna test it out because I just want to see. Oh wow, let me add a second layer because this smells, oh my god, that smells so good. Yep, that smells amazing. So I definitely recommend y'all do your own dusting powder. I wish I had a Power Puff. It'd probably be easier to do, but we stick with what we can and what we found at the Dollar Tree. So I definitely recommend y'all go make your own dusting powder and let me know how it works for you.